Put the clip together using the screw and the ring. Install the clips on the lamp first. Option 1. Hanging with cable ties. Option 2. Fixed with adjustable hanging chains. Wire connection. Before installation, disconnect the power supply. Cover the dust cap before powering on to prevent electric shock and dust entry. Keep power cords and connecting wires neatly organized with hook and loop tape. Turn on the light, wait 1 second, then turn off for up to 6 seconds before turning on again. If closed for more than 6 seconds and restarted, it uses the previous lighting setting. After turning on the light with the power cord, rapidly switch it on and off twice within 1 second.